Hi my beauty people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple and rapid way of growing your eyebrow. You know now, we ladies love to look like we're on fire, like we're sharp, like we're as sharp as a very sharp knife. So you need your eyebrow to set, you need your eyelashes to get long, and I'm coming your way with a very natural remedy and very powerful one that would help you to grow your eyebrow and let it be thick and full. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video and share the video. And to get a dark and thick eyebrow, you're going to be making use of. Now, a dry eyebrow is prone to damage and split ends. Vaseline helps to moisturize the hair, and it also gives your hair grease and healthy looking shiny hair. It is great to improving the texture of your eyebrow, and it also helps to thicken and make it grow really long. Now you're also going to be needing miracle powder. Alright guys, so you can actually order miracle powder online, okay, on your local online store or international online store. You're going to get it. Now miracle powder is great for removing spots, blackheads, knuckles and pimples, and it also contains aloe vera that helps to grow your hair. So it's going to help to grow your eyebrow and eyelashes. You're also going to be making use of aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes which repair dead skin cells. It also helps to repair the scalp. It helps to condition your eyebrow, and it leaves your hair on your eyebrow area shiny. It promotes hair growth. It prevents itchy, and it also reduces the roughness and dryness of your eyebrow. And then you're going to be making use of vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule is a thick oil that helps to reduce the hair damage. Using vitamin E capsule onto your eyebrow would help to even out and reduce the tininess and thinniness of your hair, and it's also going to help to make your hair grow faster. Alright guys, so for this you would have to scoop in just a little quantity of this oil, because we're not going to be needing too much since we need for the eyebrow area. So I'm going to be scooping that in. Then just a little quantity of miracle powder would go a long way. Now, since this miracle powder is very tiny, just a little quantity would really go a long way. You don't need too much of it. So I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. One tablespoon will make it really well. If you want to make it in large quantity, you can actually put 2 tablespoons. But of course you don't need too much of it. So I'm going to also be putting in the vitamin E. So I'll just have to cut it and then squeeze in the contents. And this would help this treatment very, very well. So now, after all the 4 ingredients is mixed properly, you would have to stir it all up. Alright, so this is properly mixed and stirred together, and now we would have to be applying it onto your eyebrow. This is really good. Now do not skip the miracle powder because it does a lot of work. Hey, so here you would, yeah, it's the aloe vera miracle powder mix for your eyebrow. Okay, basically we ladies, like, we want our eyebrows to be popping and to, you know, be very full. Okay, so you're going to take this mix and then you're just going to apply it onto your eyebrow, just like that. You can actually use a brush if you want. Apply it this way. Alright, so after that, then you can just use the vitamin E and also apply it. Okay, you apply this treatment. Now you can store this treatment for as long as 1 month. Okay, and then you would actually be using it on your eyebrow, and it's going to help thicken your eyebrow. All right, so the thing is that in the morning, before you apply anything, you would have to apply this first of all. It's going to be the very first cream you're going to use, and then you would have to hold it on just like this. It's actually very comfortable. Okay, I can hold it on for another 30 minutes before applying my dark spots removal natural treatment. Okay, because of course my skin right now, it's actually changing because of the hormone and stuff and all of that, so that's why you see me with some dark spots, which is going to go very soon as we are separated. Okay guys, so what you do is that you have to hold on for some while, and then before that you would have to keep massaging it this way. Okay, so you store this in an airtight container where you would have to put it and just tighten it. I'm gonna store this because I really need my eyebrow to be very thick, more than this, although you can see I have more of eyebrow right now. Okay, so I really need it to be very thick, more than what it is right now. So after 30 minutes or 1 hour, or as long as you can hold it, it's not going to give you any tingling feeling and all of that. Then you can just rinse it off and then you apply a mask all over your face, whichever mask you want, like your wrinkles or fine lines or dark spot mask, and then it's just going to wash off all of those blemishes on your face. Like, trust me guys, this really works. Interesting part of this is that you can store this mix for as long as you want and actually continue using it, because you know that these things are actually natural. They would work so well, like miraculously well for you, but you'd have to always use it. Okay, because even if you're actually using any chemical stuff, you have to use it, right? So you would have to use this and you are going to be seeing a really good result. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you. Bye.